Now, I will be reading the book of Numbers, chapter 40, verse chapter 3 rather, verse 40 to 43. And I will in Hebrew, and I will parse it, and then also the translation. In verse 40, Bayumar, Kalwaw consecutive, imperfect third person masculine singular, um, Adonai proper noun, El preposition, Mose, El Mose proper noun, Picod Kal imperative masculine singular, Kol noun adjective, Zakar noun adjective masculine singular, prepositions contract noun proper noun, Mibim preposition, so plus noun, Hadesh noun masculine singular, Bamala conjunction, adverb, Wisa Kal imperative imperative masculine singular, It direct object marker, or direct object marker. Now, mispar, noun masculine singular, shemotam, noun plural plus suffix. Now, the translation is, the Lord said to Moses, number all the firstborn males of the children of Israel from a month old and above, and take the number of their names. Now, let's proceed in verse 41. Walakata, old, akal, perfect, second person masculine singular with wow, and it, direct object marker, Helium, noun masculine plural, le, preposition plus suffix, ani, uh, singular, pronoun, Adonai, proper noun, tahat, preposition, declarative, kol, noun adjective, bikor, noun masculine singular, bivni, preposition plus construct noun, Israel, proper noun, white, conjunction plus object marker. Now, behemoth, noun, feminine singular, construct, Hilwiim, noun, masculine plural, Hul, noun plus adjective, Bikor, noun masculine singular, Behemoth, preposition plus noun, Bine, construct noun, and Israel, which is the proper noun. And the translation of verse 41, it says, and you shall take the Levites for me, I am the Lord, instead of all the firstborn among the children of Israel, and the livestock of the Levites, instead of all firstborn among the livestock of the children of Israel. Now, in verse 42, uh, we, we could call wow consecutive imperfect third masculine singular, third person masculine singular, Moshe, which is proper noun, Kasher, conjunction or declarative conjunction, Tayusa, Tayusa, uh, Tuit, Siwa, Pil, perfect third masculine singular, and also the Adonai, proper noun, and auto, uh, pronoun plus suffix, it, direct object marker, the same, call, noun adjective, before masculine singular, bivni, preposition plus construction noun, and Israel, which is the proper noun. And the translation of verse 42, it says, So Moses numbered all the firstborn among the children of Israel as the Lord commanded him. Now, let's proceed to the last verse, which is verse 3. Wehe, wow, consecutive verb, and call noun and adjective, bikor, noun masculine singular, zakar, noun adjective masculine singular, bimispar, preposition plus noun, shimot, noun plural, meben, preposition plus noun, hadish, noun masculine singular, bamala, conjunction adverb, lefkodihim, lefkodihim, preposition plus noun plus suffix, shimayim, shinayim, which is the numeral command, and the B scream, the numeral, uh, or numeral specification, or temporal rather. Then Shilosha, elif rather, noun numeral, which is 1000, and Shilosa numeral also. Uh, Bishivim numeral, Umatayim, so numeral. It talks about the counting of the of Israel in divided into 20,000, 370 and 100. Now the translation of verse 3, it says, all the firstborn of males according to the number of the names from a month old and above, or upward, of those who were numbered of them were 22,273. Uh, that's why uh, um, that's all from the book of Numbers chapter 3 verse 40 to 43. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless us all.